How do I check my e-file status on TaxAct? Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about how can you check your e-file status in your TaxAct. So first of all, what you have to do is simply go to www.taxact.com and hit enter. Then after, you have to log into your account using your username and password. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do so by using the email address you provided when filing your taxes. Now once logged in, navigate to the section of your account where you can access your tax return. This may be labeled as My Returns or something similar, or check the e-file status. Within your tax return, look for an option or link to check the e-file status. TaxAct typically provides a status tracker or summary page where you can monitor the progress of your e-filed return. TaxAct will display the current status of your e-file return, such as whether it has been transmitted to the IRS, accepted by the IRS, or if there are any issues or rejections that needs to be addressed. If there are any issues with your e-file return, TaxAct will typically provide guidance on how to resolve them, and this may involve correcting errors or providing additional information required by the IRS. Now continue to check the e-file status to track the progress of your tax return. TaxAct should update the status as new information when becomes available, such as when your refund is processed or if there are any updates from the IRS. If you encounter any difficulties or have any questions about e-file status, you can reach out to TaxAct customer support for the assistance. They should be able to provide guidance and help you resolve any issue you may encounter. Also keep in mind that the specific step for checking e-file status may vary slightly depending on the version of the TaxAct you're using and any updates made to the platform. If you're having trouble finding the e-file status or need assistance, consult TaxAct's help resources or contact their customer support for the further assistance. So this is basically on how can you check your e-file status on TaxAct. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.